Hello dear students, I, Miss Archana Gawale, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, welcome you all to the e-learning platform of Maratha Vidya Prasarat Samaj, KRT Arts, BH Commerce and AM Science College, Nasik. Dear students, we are starting with the syllabus of semester 4. So let's begin. The title of the subject is Business Management. Course code is 244 for the class SY Semester 4. In the previous semester, we have studied about the concept of management and also we learned about the few functions of management. In this semester, we are going to study about the remaining functions of management and the emerging trends in management. This semester consists of total 4 units. First unit is on motivation function. Second unit is on leadership function. Third unit consists of coordination and control. And last unit consists of emerging trends in business management. Unit 1, Improving People's Performance, Motivating the Staff. In this unit, we are going to learn about the meaning and importance of motivation, and we will also try to understand the various theories of motivation like Maslow's need hierarchy theory, Hertzberg's two-factor theory, McGeorge theory X and Y, Ochi's theory Z, and McClellan theory. Through this unit, the students may develop skills regarding how to motivate staff and other members of the team. Also, they may develop skills regarding retaining the motivational level within the team members. Unit 2, Organizing from Front, Leadership Skills. In this unit, we will study about the meaning and importance of leader, qualities and functions of a leader, leadership styles for effective management, contribution of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in leadership. Through this unit, the student will acquire knowledge about how to lead a group. Also, they will be able to understand their followers and their views on various organizational matters. Unit 3, Achieving Success at Work, Coordination and Control. In this unit, we will be studying about the meaning and needs of coordination and control, techniques and difficulties in establishing coordination and control, steps in the process of control and its techniques. Through this unit, the student may acquire knowledge and skill about how to bring coordination in various departments and in group activities. Unit 4 consists of emerging trends in business management. In this unit, we will be studying about the corporate social responsibility, corporate governance, and corporate citizenship. Also, we will be studying about disaster management and management of change. Through this unit, the students will be introduced with the changes in the management, also the significance of disaster management, importance and implementation of corporate social responsibility, and the importance of corporate citizenship. Thank you.